Hello guys, in this video we will show you few photos that will show a generation gap at its best. When we were 10 to 14 years old, what we did versus what now these kids do. So let's start the video without wasting your time. It was Ivan Turgenev, a Russian novelist who speak out widely about the generation gap issue. Things haven't changed much since then. Moreover, once technical progress got on the path of rapid development, people with a mere 2 years difference in age seems to be living in different worlds. For example, try showing a tape recorder cassette to a modern teenager and ask them what it is. All you will be left to do is watch them make effortless guesses. Brightside is going to prove to you that sometimes it is not a small gap but rather a real abyss between people born with a couple of decades between them. Beware, our tradition, our editorial doesn't bear responsibility if you suddenly start to feel really old. Here you can see every generation has its own stylish carelessness to their looks. Just see this photo. And then my Nancy asked me what one of these was. She don't know what it is. And just look at this, a Generation Z versus a CD jewel case. Now see this picture, a 13 years old now versus me when I was 13 years old. Share this post if you have ever used it for its intended purpose. Found this scenario interesting at Starbucks. Here you can see generation gap also. But you have a real ping pong. Now see this photo. Even earlier, there used to be two tin cans with a string between them. My 6-year-old sister phones my phone at the age of 6. Old generation know how to spend free time correctly, but now generation don't know how to spend free time correctly. Jurassic Park 1993 versus Jurassic World 2015. My younger one seems to be playing Minecraft versus me. My 16-year-old cousin asked me what these were and I simply told her they were first generation USB. That's my 12 years old sister and me at the same age. Today one of the kids I babysit asked me what this lever for. I had to explain it rolls the window up and down. But now the scenario is totally changed. You can use a button to up and down the car window. Some little kid just came up to me on the train and asked me what this was. My heart shatters for children everywhere. It's good he knows who Britney Spears is. My younger brother doesn't know Toxic by Britney Spears. I feel really old now. Me at 14 years going to a party versus my sister at 14 going to a party. And there are two pictures with different generations, two generations ignoring each other at the mall. Those awkward questions from kids. Daughter, hi mom, what was it like to grow up in the olden days? Me, I wasn't born in the olden days. Daughter, but you said you were born in the 90s. Here you can see the Motorola Razr is now in a museum. Boy, do I feel really old when I was playing with those cell phones. My 18 years old brother just asked me what this is. He really don't know what it is. Me when I was 13 years old versus 13 years old my cousin right now. Do you remember these bands? My favorite new girl at work who is 14 doesn't know who the Backstreet Boys and NSYNC are. I officially feel old. And just see this picture. Today kids will never know what it's like to have to create their own ankle socks. Just see this picture. Bonus. Tired of those silly millennials with their gadgets. Have you ever experienced the generation gap this much? We would be glad to hear from you in the comments. Let's comment and show your generation gap pictures. And we will also post them in our channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.